friends. This video is all about the review of episode 1 of season 3 of the heartthrob of many viewers, the Kuch Rang Pyar Ke Aise Bhi. Yes, the show is back with the bang news season 3 and this video is all about the review of episode 1. If you see where the season 3 begins, it begins just after a few years from where season 2 left us. So now Sonakshi and Dev are as usual busy in their career and managing their life all along with their two cute little children, Soha and Shubh. So now they both have grown up a little bit and Sona and Dev are as usual super cute, bringing back the chemistry to the show. And Ishwari is all elegant as the way she carries herself in all the seasons previously. Now, the episode begins with Sonakshi making Soha get ready for school and Ishwari also helping it. And Sona finds it difficult to manage her time with both the kids as she is also late for the investors meeting with Dev. So she hurriedly dresses up the kids and make them ready for their school. If you find the general attitude of Sonakshi, it is just, I should say, become little rude over the years. Means she's become little impatient, that she's showing that anger on the kids. You may find that she has gone too harsh with the kids. Ishwari tries to maintain peace by maintaining the kids and at the same time managing with Sonakshi. So Ishwari assures that things will be fine at home and encourages is good for the investors meet. So next, our scene shifts to the investor meet where they welcome Sona there and they have a meeting. That's where we have another new character from season 1 if you believe. Yeah, Natasha is being shown there with her partner where they are having an investors meet. So Natasha notices the lack of chemistry between Sonakshi and Dev and feels that something has changed between them, but Sonakshi is unwilling to accept the truth. She's always like, just years have gone by and we are just living our lives. So this is what the explanation which Sonakshi gives. And then they have a Damsheras route where I hope Kuch Rang Pyar Ke Aise Bhi fans will be able to relate Damsheras with something in season 1. Yes, when Dev struggles to show up the word Titanic through his actions, Sonakshi helps him by doing the iconic pose with which everybody finds out that the movie is Titanic. Now things are the opposite way when Sonakshi gets the word Titanic and she tries her best to explain the word to Dev but in vain. Dev is not able to guess the word and of course Sona and Dev are little upset about it but they don't show it out. And then small disagreements between Dev and Sonakshi is being portrayed where always either one of them is on the phone managing their business and the other side managing family. And we're able to also see the changes in them, that is they are not able to notice small changes in other person's life. So that is what is being portrayed in the episode. And then at home we are able to see Ishwari managing the kids too well and there is nothing changed between Dev and Ishwari where Dev shares the same bond with his mother and has time for his mom. Ishwari is happy and just great with their grandchildren, but still she feels that children need their mom and she tries to explain that to Sonakshi where Sonakshi is reluctant to agree to that because she as woman is struggling to manage between career and the kids. So this impatience is reflected in her kids. So then there is a car journey where Dev and Sonakshi are just traveling in a car when another car just goes past them speedily and there is an accident which Sonakshi and Dev comes to know about later. That's not all about it. The person who was hit is unconscious at the hospital where he was person named Dev Dikshit. And then hospital authorities called for Dev where Dev was totally unaware who the person is. So when he meets that person, he is totally confused as to who the person is. But the dying man confesses that I have an important truth to tell you. On the other side, Sonakshi has small disagreements with Ishwari as usual. Ishwari's point is that she raised up her kids differently in those days whereas these days things are different. And Sonakshi is also not willing to accept that where there are small disagreements regarding the diet the kids follow and the things the kids play with or some things like that. And then Ishwari tries to explain to Sonakshi how she has to balance her role and not think that she's alone. And Sonakshi realizes that and she tries to make up with Soha for just scolding her sometime before, and she cheers up Sona with her story, and Soha is proud of her mom saying she's the best. On the other hand, the dying man confesses to Dev an important twist in the plot. He says that the girl who you have been bringing up as your daughter is not your daughter. Dev Dixit just doesn't believe this and is shattered into pieces, where the dying man says a dying man will never lie and this is the truth. Soha is not your child but my child. Since I did not want a girl child, I just swapped my girl child to you and then took your son, and he is growing up to be my son. And a small kid who is assuming the dying man's child is being shown, and he says this is your real son and my daughter is growing up into your house. And Dev is all shattered to hear this, and he stands in shock, and other side Soha is happy with Sona. So this is where the episode ends with a twist for the viewers. So we have to wait and watch how Dev is going to handle this situation or what is behind all this. So stay tuned and hope if you all watched the episode yesterday. If not, you can watch it on Sony Live. And what are your views about this show, your likes and dislikes, and how you felt about the episode? Please comment it in the comment section. Thank you guys.